Hey guys, welcome back to my 31st Python tutorial, and today I'm going to talk about creating and importing modules in Python. So what a module is, it's basically a cloud storage. When we work on our IDLE, all our functions and variables and anything we write in this thing gets lost when we exit the program. So if you want to save them, you want to make a module. So how you can make it is by opening a new file in your IDLE first. Let's move this real quick. And the modules are made in a specific way, so make sure you're paying attention. I'm just gonna write a simple module or function named saved, and then have an empty parameter set because we're not gonna do anything complicated here. I'm just gonna write a print statement for this. This works. 2 exclamation marks. And now we need to save this as a file. Make sure you name it whatever you like actually, and then remember this name. I'm gonna name mine mod, and remember your name. And now you're gonna need to use a specific extension .py. Oops. Because Python's gonna look for this tag when it wants to import something. So if you don't have .py, it's not gonna do anything. So now you save it, and then go back to your IDLE. Now that we created the modules, you can import them, and the keyword is import. Then press space, then type your file name. Mine is mod, so import mod. And when we press enter, mod has been imported. How you can use the functions in the modules or the file is by typing the file name dot module name. So saved. Oh, the Python did it for me. Nice. And make sure you have your parentheses, and when you press enter, bam, this works. So, oops, where did the, okay, so, yeah, basically, I ran it, so it printed, this works. We'll just call, also, when you import a file or a module, where is the IDLE? Alright, you can't really re-import it again because you can only import once, and if you do it again, it's gonna confuse Python and potentially cause errors in your programs. So make sure you only import it once. What is it called? And also, if you want to change your file, like make an edit in your file, and say it's like, I don't know, this is awesome, and have 2 extra things again. Of course, save it. It's gonna update, but when you go back to that thing and re-import, since we updated, and do the thing again, mod.saved. Wow, it didn't change anything. It's because Python only allows you to import once, and it will not update. So the only way you can actually get it to, update and work is by, unfortunately, relaunching the entire thing. So you have to close your IDLE, reopen, and just this. And when you import mod and mod.saved, now it is updated to this is awesome. So the one thing to keep in mind is that you can only import a file only once in a program. Anyways, that was the tutorial on creating and importing modules in Python. So I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.